Two.
Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Today I'm standing on a 2023 Bennington 23 RSR. This boat does have the quad bench seating with the captain and co-captain seat, one of our most popular seating arrangements. This boat is equipped with the ESP tri-tooth package with the 300 horsepower Mercury outboard motor. This boat will absolutely ride like a Cadillac on one of our local lakes, one of our best riding boats on the market. Thomas is going to show you a little bit more about the outside, then I'm going to take you to the inside and show you some of the other features. This boat is the metallic silver with the blackout package. As you can see, that blackout package takes all the railings and changes it to an anodized black. The inside color scheme on this boat is the main graphite with the carbon accent. It does have the pillow top upholstery with the flip down armrests at all four corners of the quad bench. These cup holders are removable, can replace anywhere you want. I like how this year they added nice little cubby pockets for your cell phones and things like that. This boat does have the in-floor storage and removable bow table. And you'll notice throughout the boat little charging ports located around, so you'll be able to charge your devices. Here's that captain and co-captain seat I was telling you about with the wraparound rear seating. That is a removable seat back there, so you can place that in the bow of the boat so the kids can get back here and enjoy the extended rear swimming deck. Like I was saying earlier, this boat will have the 300 horsepower engine on it with a ski pylon. We do have that motor in stock. Just have not put it on yet. Look at the dash on this boat. Just one of the absolute nicest dash. Built-in 9-inch Simrad screen with a built-in chart plotter GPS. It is NEMA connected to your motor, so it will display all of your engine data on there as well. Upgraded Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. And we do have the RBG lighting package on this boat, so things like the cup holders and speakers will light up in a variety of colors. The 300 horsepower Mercury, it does have the digital controls, which just makes it butter smooth in operation. And of course, like all of our other Benningtons, it comes with a 10-foot long bimini top and a full boat cover. Please come check us out today. We do have a lot of Benningtons in stock and a fully equipped showroom there as well if you want to come in and get out of the weather. Thank you all very much. MarineMax in Greenville.